Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is very important and it is related with 9 chemistry. The question is that define ions and explain the types of ions. So first of all we are going to start what is ion. Ion is a atom or group of atom which is charge. Ion is simple. Ion and radical, there are two different things, but we are going to mix up all, you can say, radical molecular ion into just single word, that is ion. What is ion? Ion is an atom or group of atom having a charge on it. Charge on it either by losing or gaining of electron by an atom or group of atom is called ion. Now I'm going to write the definition. Ion is an atom or group of atom. Ion is an atom or group of atoms. Ions are atom or group of atoms having a charge on it. Having a charge on it. Just because of losing or gaining of electron by loss or gain of electron by an atom or group of atoms. By an atom or group of atoms is called ion. If we are going to talk about types of ions, types of ion, there are basically four types of ion. It means that ions are classified into four categories. Number one is, you can say, cation. Second one is anion. Third is molecular ion, which is also known as radical, and molecular or radical is further divided into cationic molecular radical or anionic molecular radical. It means that it is further divided into cationic molecular radical and an ionic molecular radical. And fourth one is free radical. Free radical. These are the four types of ion, that is cation, anion, molecular ion, that is radical, and free radical. Now I'm going to move towards first one is cation. First one is cation. How can we define the cation? Cations are formed when an atom loses electron from its outermost shell and you can say get positive charge over it. For example, sodium ion, potassium ion, lithium ion. So how can we define? Cations are formed when an atom loses electron from its outermost shell and get positive charge. For example, sodium ion Na plus 1, lithium ion Li plus 1, potassium ion K plus 1, etc. We can solve or explain cation with chemical equation, just like sodium is a neutral atom. By losing one electron, it converts into monovalent cation, that is Na plus 1. Or we can write this equation in another way. Na neutral will be equals to Na plus 1 plus 1 electron. It means that if we will write electron in the reactant side, the electron will be negative. If we will shift this electron in product side, it will be positive. It means that this sodium metal loses 1 electron and carry plus 1 charge, and it's known as monovalent cation of sodium. Now we are going to move towards definition and examples of other types, just like anion, molecular ion and free radical. Now we are going to move towards anion. Second type of ion is anion. How can we define anion? Anion are formed when an atom, anion is formed when an atom added addition or gain of electron. When an atom gain an electron, the atom possesses negative charge due to increment of electron. Then get negative charge. It is called anion. For example, chloride ion, oxide ion, fluoride ion, all are the examples related with anion. Just chlorine atom, if we are not going to move towards the electronic configuration, chlorine is a non-metal. It requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Chlorine neutral atom gain 1 electron to form Cl-1, that is monovalent anion. Monovalent anion. It means that how anion will be formed? When an atom gain or added the extra amount of electron, as a result number of negative charge will be increased as compared to number of proton. Hence the element get negative charge. It is called monovalent cation if it will gain 1 electron. Otherwise, oxygen, neutral oxygen gain 2 electron to form oxide ion, carry -2 charge. It is called divalent anion. Here we have complete definition and example of anion. Now I am going to move towards molecular ion, that is radical. Now the third type of ion is molecular ion, which is also known as a radical. When a molecule loses or gain electron, it is called molecular ion. It also possesses positive or negative charge. when a molecule or simple word group of atom loses or gain electron, it is called molecular ion or radical, or you can say group of charged atoms is called molecule or radical. It also possesses positive and negative charge. It means that molecular ion on the basis of charge divided into two categories. First one is an ionic molecular ion. First one is an ionic molecular ion, and second one will be cationic molecular ion. An ionic molecular ion, it means that the molecular ion possesses negative charge, just like carbonate CO3 minus 2 is called carbonate, and SCO3 minus 1 which is called bicarbonate. Here group of atom, that is hydrogen, carbon and 3 oxygen, possess minus 1 charge, so it is called molecular ion. Because it contains negative charge, it is called anionic molecular ion. Just like carbonate possess minus 2 charge, so it is called anionic molecular ion. Now we are going to move towards cationic molecular ion. If a molecular ion has positive charge, it is known as cationic molecular ion. Just like ammonium ion, NH4 plus 1. Ammonium ion is the example of cationic molecular ion. Here we have done molecular ion. How can we define molecular ion? Group of charged atoms, or when a molecule loses or gain electron, it is form molecular ion, which is also known as radical. Molecular ion also divided into two categories, cationic molecular ion and anionic molecular ion, on the basis of charge they possess. If molecular ion has negative charge, it is known as an ionic molecular ion, just like carbonate and bicarbonate. And if a molecular possess positive charge, it is called cationic molecular ion, just like ammonium ion, NH4 positive plus 1. Now we are going to move towards the last type of ion, that is free radical. Now we are going to move towards fourth type of ion, that is free radical. Fourth one is free radical. How can we define free radical? Atom or of group of atom having number of unpaired electrons. Atom or group of atoms having number of unpaired electrons, it is known as free radical. Is known as free radical. And second one, it is represented by putting a dot over the symbol of an element. It is representing by putting a dot, that is, which is also known as not, over the symbol of an element. For example, methyl radical. Methyl radical CH3 naught. not represent it as a radical or free radical. And other examples also include just like hydrogen free ion or free radical or chlorine free radical, etc. Now why free radicals active? Free radicals are formed when homolytic breakage of bonds between two atoms take place by the absorption of heat or energy, or maybe light energy. Free radicals are very reactive chemical species. If the questions come in multiple choice, which type of ion is very reactive, then the free radical is very reactive chemical species. And which chemical species very active, then you can write the answer. The most appropriate answer will be free radical. It means that free radical is a very reactive chemical species. Hope you have an idea about ions and types of classification of ions. Types of classification of ions are divided into four categories. Number one, cationic ion, anion, free radicals, and molecular ion or radical. Molecular ion also classified into anionic molecular ion and cationic molecular ion. Hope you will understand all the definitions and examples of ions and types of ion. If you have any query regarding understanding ion definition, types of ion and examples, so you can comment or directly message me. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.